What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's 4 screws we need to remove to take this cover off. There's one way back here. There's one right here. There's one right here. And there's also one way over here. So we'll take those out with a 7mm socket and a ratchet. Get that last bolt out. Once those are out, we'll just grab this cover, slide it down, slide it out. Disconnect this electrical connector right here. Push down on the button, pull the connector out, just like that. Then I'm going to take a trim tool, just remove this wire clip. There we go. Pull that out of the way. Then there's 3 fasteners I'm going to remove. 1, 2, there's one on the back side of here. I'll take the back one out first. I'm going to use a T15 socket and a ratchet. Take that last screw out and grab the blower motor. Just slide it down. Alright, we're going to take the blower motor, make sure there's nothing in it, looks good, and line this tab up with that screw hole back there. Just like that. Take the screws, let's see, right here. Now before I tighten any of these down, I'm going to get all these screws started. Now just make sure you hold that blower motor in position. There we go. And then I can tighten the screws down using my T15 and a ratchet. And tighten those down, not too tight, it is in plastic. Take the connector, line the connector up, and lock it back in place and lock this wire tie down right there. Now take this panel, just line this up underneath. I'll take the screws, take a 7mm socket, and get these started. Get them all started before you tighten them down. Now we'll take our 7mm socket and a ratchet and just tighten them all up. Remember, it is plastic, so don't tighten them too much.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.